will come out to be, this is 8, then 6, then 4. So your rank will be 469. I think it's an easier method to find out the rank of a word. Otherwise, it will take at least half, or it will complete it will be a complete page to find out the answer for this. It's not only that we can find out the rank of a word which are 6 letters or 5 letters or 4 letters. It could be anything, but we have to start with the factorial, which is just one lesser than the number of letters in that particular word. Okay. Now, there was one question in the IIT examination which was Cochin. Cochin. Now, what is the different thing in this? That there is a letter repeated in this particular word. Now, it is a bit different from the first one. Okay, how to find out the rank of this word? Okay, again we have to apply the same method but in a different manner. You just see that how. Okay, again how many letters are there? There are 6 letters, so we have to start with the 5 factorial, then 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, and again we have to add plus 1. That is our basic process. Okay, without any calculation, without any counting, we have to do all these things. Why I am starting with the 5 factorial? Because the number of letters in the word is 6. Okay. Now again I have told you that we have to arrange that letter in alphabetical order. Okay. Now if I start with the alphabetical order, it will be C, C, H, I, N, O. If you arrange all these letters in alphabetical order, it will be C, C, H, I, N, O. Now again we have to start with that particular method which we have done before. Okay, you just see that how to find out that. Okay, first, how many letters are there before C? How many letters are there before C? I think it is 0. So it is 0 into 5 factorial and C will be cancelled out. Okay. Now you just see. Second letter will be O. How many letters are there before O and which are not cancelled out? You can just see that it's C, H, I, N. How many letters are there? These are 4. So we have to multiply this with 4 and cancel out O also. Got this, dears? Now again see that. How many letters are there before C? There is no letter before C which is not cancelled out. So the option before 3 will be 0 and this again will be cancelled out. How many letters are there before H? It is 0. So here you have to put 0 and H will be cancelled out, and similarly there is no letter before I, so again I have to put 0 over here. If I add up them, then it is 4 into 4 factorial, that is 96. Now 96 plus 1 will be 97. The rank of the word is 97. Got this, my dear? And again, if you want to find out this answer by the proper method, you have to spend at least 10 or 15 lines, and this much of time you don't have in your examination because you have very little of space and very little of time. So these methods will help you in your examination. Okay, we can have some complex examples also. Okay. If if the number of letters is bit different, just like pitch, P-I-T-C-H. Now you can just help me that how to find out the, okay, how many letters are there? It's 5. So I have to start with the 4 factorial. Okay, this will be 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, and plus 1. Okay, again I have to arrange them in alphabetical order. So what will be the alphabetical order for this? It is C, H, I, P, T. Now again start with the same process. How many letters are there before P? It's 1, 2, 3. C, H, and I. So I have to put 3 over here and cancel out P. Okay. How many letters are there before I? Before I there are 2 letters. So I have to put 2 over here and cancel out I also. Got this? And then next letter is T. How many letters are there before T? 2 letters are there before T. So I have to put 2 over here and cancel out T also. You have to apply the same method before. Okay, how many letters are there before C? It's 0. your process is completed and you can find out the answers within 30 to 40 seconds, which is the need of your examination. Okay, and these type of questions are appearing in all the examinations. It could be AIEEE, IIT or DC. You can see all these questions are appearing and you can find out all these things within 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, you have to find, if you want to find out the answer, then it's 24 into 3 is 72. This will be equals to 12, then 4, and your summation will be, it's 8 and 8. 88 plus 1, that is 89. So your rank of the word pitch. If you arrange all of them in a dictionary, that will be 89. Got this, dears? Okay, I'm just completing this topic. Okay, we can have some better examples also, but all these examples can be done with this method. Got this, dears? Okay.